All right. Congress has lodged a complaint against the Prime Minister and against Home Minister Amit Shah. The Grand Old Party has accused Prime Minister Modi and the Home Minister of making false, divisive, malicious statements during the recent election campaign. Congress has alleged on the 8th of November, the Prime Minister, during election rallies in Nasik and Dhule, made a series of false statements targeting the Congress party. MP Jairam Ramesh complained against Modi's allegations against Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira and Rajiv Gandhi. Congress Chief Kharge also slammed the Prime Minister and the Home Minister for time and again breaking up Article 370 in Maharashtra. Kharge said Shah and Modi keep saying Congress wants to bring back Article 370, which isn't even the case.
अमित शाह बोलते हैं कांग्रेस हमेशा झूठ बोलती है। कांग्रेस 370 को पुनः लाना चाहती। कौन बोले भाई, कब बोले? ऐसी चीजें आप बोलते हो जो अब ऑलरेडी पार्लियामेंट में पास हुआ है, हो गया है, फिर उसको दोबारा क्यों छेड़ रहे आप? इसका मतलब यू वांट टू keep it alive, such issues, to divide the people. जाके बोलो ना वहां जम्मू कश्मीर में, वहां तो इलेक्शन हो गया।
Listening to what the Prime Minister and the Home Minister have been saying in the course of the election campaign.
इन कांग्रेस वालों को, उनके साथियों को ये बात पच नहीं रही है और इसलिए कांग्रेस और उसके साथी कश्मीर में फिर से धारा 370 वापस लाकर के लागू करने का प्रस्ताव सदन में लाए हैं, सदन में पास करवा रहे हैं। जरा कांग्रेस वालों को पूछिए, उनके साथियों को पूछिए कि जो धारा 370 खत्म हो गई, जिस जम्मू कश्मीर में भारत का संविधान पैर नहीं रख सकता था, उस जम्मू कश्मीर में भारत का संविधान पहुंचा। क्या आप फिर से इसको रोक लोगे? ये लोग वो काम कर रहे हैं जो काम पाकिस्तान चाहता है।
ए राहुल गांधी की पार्टी धारा 370 को वापिस लाना चाहती है। धनबाद वालों, धारा 370 वापिस लानी चाहिए क्या? जोर से बोलो, लानी चाहिए। ये कश्मीर जो है हमारा है या नहीं है? भाइयों बहनों, मैं आज धनबाद में राहुल बाबा को कहकर जाता हूं, राहुल बाबा आप तो क्या, आपकी चौथी पीढ़ी भी धारा 370 वापिस नहीं लाएगा। ये कश्मीर जो है वो भारत का अभिन्न अंग है, इसको हमसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता, कोई नहीं छीन।
Statements have been made in Dhanbad and Jharkhand, but remember we are also talking about Maharashtra that goes to polls, and Vidya is with us. Several of these statements have been reiterated in Maharashtra as well, Vidya, and that's the reason why the Congress has said this is not even accurate. We haven't spoken about abrogation of Article 370 or saying that it has to be brought back, isn't it?
Well, there have been different narratives that are being put out. And of course, as the BJP themselves have been, that it is a false narrative that was made even during Lok Sabha elections, wherein, say, for example, issues of, the repealing of the constitution, change of constitution was put out by the India alliance parties. And in fact, this is exactly what the Mahavikas Aghadi has also been saying, is that this is what exactly. Now they are alleging that this entire narrative of the 370 article was never said by any of the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders, and that's one of the reasons why they are saying that these kind of issues are just being raked up by the BJP to make sure that people remember, to bring a narrative to it. But these kind of issues have never been said that they will bring it back or, put things back as it was earlier. That was never said by any of the Congress leaders or even by the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders. So these are the kind of narratives that each party has been alleging against the other for building up issues that do not really exist.
Vidya, getting in those details as far as that controversy over the statements of Amit Shah, the Home Minister, and the Prime Minister is concerned.